Hey y'all, it's Cam Man again. I wanted to post this update on that Lincoln Electric Inferno torch. After going back over my video the other day and rereading the directions, I discovered that there was a safety valve that if you turn the propane on too quickly, it will activate this valve and severely slow the flow of propane to the torch. So I went back out this morning and just barely cracked the valve on the tank open, and then cranked the hand valve open a bit and hit it with the igniter. It was exactly what I was hoping for. I got a nice big whoosh, and as you can see, it's making short work of these two legs. That first one that was burnt was a softwood. It went real quick. This one that I'm working on right now is the hardwood. I have to stay in one spot a little bit longer, but still just phenomenally better than that brazen torch. So definitely recommend this torch to anybody that's looking to do this kind of work. Hey, thanks for watching. Grace and peace, y'all.